I'm going to refactor this callback. I want two callbacks, one for profile, the other for stripe. So copy this and paste it twice. And instead of my callback, I'll call one of them stripe callback. And the other one I'll call profile, lowercase p, profile callback. Then instead of my callback, this one will be stripe callback. And it'll be very similar to this, except I'm going to take this out of it. So I'll copy this, where I define the callback. And this one's called profile callback. So there. It's exactly like I had it before, except now it's refactored. Separating these callbacks like this makes the code more readable and easier to maintain. The user profile is created when a user signs in. I want the user profile to be created for a user when they sign up. I'll use user signed up signal to do this. So for profile callback, I could delete user logged in and instead use user signed up. Now a profile will only be created when the user first signs up. See you in the next video.